Simplify, write all answers using radical notation, assume all variables represent positive numbers. The fourth root of x cubed times the square root of x. Well, first what we're going to do is rewrite these using fractional exponents. The fourth root of x cubed becomes x raised to the 3/4. The square root of x becomes x to the 1/2. And now we'll simplify this. When we're multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, we add the exponents. So this would be x raised to the 3/4 plus 1/2. That's going to be equal to x to the 3/4 plus 2/4. And then that's equal to x to the 5/4. But now we need to put our answer in radical notation. So we're going to rewrite x to the 5/4 as x to the 1 plus 1/4. And therefore, this would be x to the 1 times x to the 1/4. And now rewriting that in radical notation, this is equal to x times the fourth root of x.